The Tesla Model Y has officially come out and deliveries are now starting up. In this video, I'll be comparing everything new in the Model Y compared to the very similar Model 3. Before we get into the video, I want to thank Ben Sullins from Teslanomics YouTube channel for letting me use some of his footage of the Model Y. Let's get started. When ordering your car, you can choose between 3 different sized wheels depending on what configuration you get. The Uber turbine wheels will take away a lot of range because of their size. The Model Y I'll be comparing is the 5-seater because the 7-seat option isn't available yet for another year. When opening the front of the Y, there's an extra liner that seals the front from getting wet. My guess is that if people take this off-roading and a lot of water or mud hits the front end, the liner will keep whatever is in the front from getting wet. A small difference toward the rear of the car is that there is a tow eye cover on the front and the back side of the vehicle compared to the Model 3 where there's only one tow spot in the front. There's also a powered liftgate instead of a manual opening and closing system on the Model 3 to get into the rear. In the trunk, there are 2 spaces under the main level where you can store items. The space in the far back is most likely gone when you add the 3rd row option next year. In case you want more space in the back, you can lower the seats without having to go to either side of the car just to fold the seats down. You can lower the seats from the rear of the car by pulling a switch. This is nice to have, but it isn't a powered seat that can rise back up on its own. The last thing in the trunk is the 12-volt outlet that can be used to power a cooler or a small air compressor for the tires. When you're in the back seats, there's no pillar between the center of the glass roof like on the Model 3. That means that you get more headroom and the dome lights are now moved to the side of the roof and illuminate when you click it. Rear passengers also get the new USB Type-C ports instead of the older USB-A ports. Moving up to the front, a wireless charging pad is built into the car from Tesla so you don't have to use any cables to plug in your phone. As you can see, there aren't many differences between the new Model Y and the Model 3. But if this video helped you out in any way, please give this video a like, which helps share my video to more people. If you're interested in learning more about Teslas and the Model Y, I'll be leaving a link in the description to Ben's channel, who makes lots of other Tesla content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Tech Device News.